Let there be light. See, it's magic. Let's see what else this can do. Well, I found a traditional magic wand from Portugal, and they are special because they are hidden in olive trees that are 1,000 years old, because, well, the wizards of those days, you know, when the Templars came, they weren't that popular, and so they put their magic wands in old trees. Well, in those days, young trees, and these trees grew, and these magic wands were hidden in it. And you can tell it's a Portuguese one because they made them with a tap from a wine barrel, because, you know, it's all about wine. And you're very lucky if you find one that grew in the tree. And if you can open it, then you find this magic wand made out of a tap and some kind of ancient, I don't know, maybe there are some Japanese influence in Portugal. Huh. But the main reason they had them is to turn water into wine, and that's why they are made from a wine barrel tap, which I think, yes, it's even functioning. So it's a beautiful hiding place, really is. So this is just normal water. And I happen to have read what you have to say to make that into wine. And you should have a little bit of distance, because you never know what's going to happen. But I've heard you had to say something like aqua something, I can't really remember. What was it? Agua, tinto, vino, aqua, I don't know. The only words I know is agua, vino, tinto. Wow, that worked. That worked. This is unbelievable. Well, the problem is, nowadays wine is cheaper than water. If you go to the shop in Portugal, you can buy a bottle of wine for 99 cents, and it's really good wine, and a bottle of water from one of these crooks from Nestle or whatever company they are, they're much more expensive. So actually you should be able to put wine into water, but they didn't think about that in these years. So, well, I've got myself wine. It's a little bit light. I don't think there's much alcohol in it, but yeah, it tastes well. So, from the Not Just Sawdust workshop, I would say go out to the woods. Well, if you're not in Portugal, there must be other rituals and other sagas and fairy tales to explain you how to find them. I'm gonna be very happy with it and hide it again for whenever I need to make wine out of water. Até logo. Well, wait a minute. You should see this.